Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very hard to find piece. Actually a very rare machine. Not because it's a 240 John Deere or something, they're not rare, but this machine is 246 original hours on it. This was sold new by Lost Creek Implement down in Oakland Mills, PA, down near Mifflintown. One owner, garage kept. The man is 81 years old. They're selling their farmette and downsizing. Basically, he kept this around. He stripped some topsoil, put in some stone roads around his little place, and he used it for some snow there at his house. Never into manure. He never had any cattle. Long story short, this thing is as clean a John Deere 240 as you will ever find in the face of this United States. I bet a wager on that. It is the real deal. You can call and check it out. You can do whatever you want to do. This thing is as new as you'll find, considering it's a 2004 machine. We're going to start right back here at the engine compartment, take completely around this skid loader. It is a 240 Series 2. It is a 2004, and again, he purchased this brand new from Lost Creek Implement, which is a John Deere dealer. They had done all the service work on it. This thing is just immaculate clean. We didn't wash anything, do anything. This is just how it come to me. I bought it off the individual privately. John Deere 2.9 liter PowerTech engine. Starts, runs excellent, no abnormal noise, smoke, anything like that, which it shouldn't be for 246 hours. These side panels, back door, everything is as straight as a pin. Paint is original. There is absolutely no touch-up work. We got this scuffed right here. It's the worst part on the whole machine. Cab is beautiful and straight. Tires are Galaxy 10/16/5, are the original set of tires. It does have weight brackets, but never had any weights. Factory John Deere 72-inch Worksite Pro utility bucket. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. We didn't clean any of the grease off. We didn't do anything. That way you could see this machine was original skid loader. All the zinc plating is perfect. All the hoses have the wrappers on them where they were part numbered and made from John Deere. Look in here. Zinc plating on all the bolt heads. The only thing I can say it's bent is this one weight bracket. He backed into something that has a small bend in it. Take you inside the cab. Armrest package, original John Deere seat. $245.9 hours, all the gauges work. Just as crisp and clean as could be. It look long and hard to find stuff like this. Still even had the Lost Creek Implement key tag on it. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera back over to Matt. We're going to start it, run it, work it for you, so you do everything it's supposed to do. Stuff like this does not come along every day. And a million people say, are you sure the hours are right? The only way you're going to know that's call and check it out like I did. And also come look at it. You are not going to find a machine like this in the country. It is unbelievable how nice this thing is. there from the video, this thing is a like new skid loader for a 2004 year model machine. 246 original one owner hours. Again, sold new, Lost Creek implement, which is John Deere dealer. One owner, the older gentleman, like I said, I just bought it from him last week. He was 81 years old, and I was very fortunate to buy this machine. Extremely clean. You're not going to find anything like this in the market today. It does have block heater with it, standard controls. This is just a nice machine. Remember, no DEF, no emissions crap. This is a very good basic skid steer, basically, that you can work on and take care of. And here a machine has 246 hours. There's thousands upon thousands of hours running in this machine. So if you'd have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at MarkSupply88. As always, if you want to come by and see something yourself in person, you're more than welcome to do so. I have nothing to hide, and I don't mean this to be rude. I don't want a bunch of haters calling and say, oh, there's no way that's right. If you can come and dispute this machine with me, come do it. I'll prove you wrong. There is things on this machine that you don't see. Where John Deere tightened the bolts, everything is marked. The zinc plating, the decals. I mean, this thing is just unbelievable how nice it is. You just don't find this stuff today. So you got any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.